I want to help you manifest the things that you want. What if you could get your hands on a step-by-step system that could teach you and set you up for success? Not too long ago, I was searching for a way to turn my dreams into tangible outcomes. I started studying and practicing and ended up developing a system that really works. A process that changed the game for me and became intentional reality. Manifestation is much more than wishful thinking. It's a strategic journey. Each step in this process aligns your thoughts, actions, and energy with your goals, propelling you towards success. Investing time and effort into applying and understanding this system can pave the way to transformative changes in your life. Imagine manifesting your deepest desires consistently. That's the potential of this system. Follow me. I'll show you the way.